What's going on, people? Welcome back to the vlog. This is what I'm doing today. Want to show you because I'm not having a good day. It's being rough, but I'm doing right here. I'm putting clear coat on the calipers because I put that sticker on. I want to make sure I stay there. So I'm putting some clear coats on the calipers. I'm trying to paint this black, and I'm trying to paint the whole bottom of the car in black, just to make it give it like a clean look. You know what I mean, like a new look. Take this tape out. Yeah, so that's what I'm working today. I did the front and I did the back. Just trying to give it a clean look. I don't know if you can see good with the sun, but it's a really nice weather out today. So I'm just trying to get this out of the way. Now I'm gonna tell you, man, I have really bad issues because I don't have a garage. So because I don't have a garage, the wind is kind of like crazy today. I mean, it's nice outside, but it's kind of crazy. So it's blowing the paint everywhere, like it's going everywhere, and it's hard to help it. It's hard to help it. I'm trying to hurry up, you know what I mean, before the day goes out. So I'm doing that, and then on top of that, I'm putting plastic dip on the wheels. I'm plastic dipping the wheels black. This is gonna be my last set. I already did the other side, so I wanna show you what my issues are. Let me show you. I already did this side. I think it looked pretty good with the black wheels. I think it looked pretty damn good with the black wheels. I ain't gonna lie. But the only issue is it's plastic dip, so I really don't care. You know what I mean? But the wind is going crazy, and you see all this dirt that I have around. Every time I'm trying to paint the wheels, the wind just keep blowing dirt and blowing shit into my wheels. But I'm not stopping. I don't care because I don't have a garage. I need to get it done. And then on top of that, the wind keep when the plastic did dry here, the wind blow it and stick it to the freaking corner of the wheel. So I'm pretty sure this plastic did job, it won't last long. I'm gonna try to stay away from the car wash, the hose, to spray it too hard. Cause I just did this until I get new wheels. So like I say, it's plastic dip, so it don't matter. I can peel it off. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about it. So yeah, it keep blowing dust. It keep blowing dust and dust. And then on top of that, this right here, after it dry and I tied it, this happened. The paint got stuck on the lug nuts. So I make a big mistake on these two wheels. I'm doing two at the time, so I'm definitely not gonna spray that much paint inside the lug nut hole on that one. But this side is messed up. I'm like really mad, really pissed off. This is just ridiculous. This is just nasty. But like I said, I really don't care. From far away, they look pretty good. Somebody wanna get close and look at that and talk shit, they can't talk shit, but it's plastic dip. So if anything, I can peel all this out and my wheels still look the same. But yeah, I tried to put some tape in here, so I didn't cover that. I took this off. I put plastic dip and I put some glossifier, plastic dip glossifier, just to give it a little shine. But for now, until I get new wheels, man, they look good. The car is looking really good. And the clear coat on the calipers, with everything real dark in the inside, man, it give it that clean look, and I'm loving it. So yeah. But anyway, yeah, look at this right here. It peeled off when I was taking the thing off. It peeled off from here, so I had to repaint it on top of there. It's a disaster, definitely a disaster. But it will do the job for now. I don't care. So if you wanna roast me on the comment section, go for it. I'm good. But I'm just letting you know, man, that's what happens when you don't have a garage. And it's a nice day out, but the wind just messed it all up. So anyway, that's the video for today. If you got any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Yeah, until the next one, because I want to get this done. I'm so mad at how it turned out, that side. that I just want to be done over and go upstairs, get a shower, and just forget about the car for the rest of the day. But from far away, come on, look at this. From far away, what? Man, who get that close to the car to look at it? Me, unless I take it to a car show, and I'm not. So yeah, I like it. I definitely like the look. Now when I get wheels, I'm definitely not gonna get them full black. But for now, that's what it is. Alright, until the next one, man, be safe, you know.